The 3 points A, B, C are shown in the diagram as you can see. The perpendicular from C to AB meets AB at the point D. This perpendicular is meeting AB line at D. So this is that point D. Find the equation of CD. First bit. So it's CD. Equation of any line formula y minus y1 equal to m times of x minus x1. You need a point on CD, that is this one, 6, 15. So place it here, y minus 15 equal to m times of x minus 6. Now I need to know the slope of CD. To get the slope for CD, I will use this perpendicular condition. Whenever lines are perpendicular, m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. I can get the slope for AB line. For that, if this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. How much is slope for AB? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the formula. So 11 minus 3 by 13 minus 1, which is 11 minus 3, 8 by 12. So it is 2 by 3. Place 2 by 3 here. So 2 by 3 into m2 equal to minus 1. So my m2 equal to minus 3 by 2. Replace it here. So in place of m minus 3 by 2. Fraction, so send 2 to the other side. So it is 2 into y minus 15 equal to minus 3 into x minus 6. So multiply 2y minus 30 equal to minus 3x plus 18. Now bring all to the one side, I get 3x plus 2y minus 30 minus 18 minus 48 equal to 0. This is my equation of CD. First bit is completed. Now second bit. The coordinates of D. As you can see, D is the intersection of these two lines. This line and this line. So intersection point to get, you need to solve these two line equations. So D equal to intersection of AB and CD. So solve those two line equations, you will get the coordinates of D. CD equation we just found, 3x plus 2y minus 48 equal to 0. What is the equation of AB I need to find? Equation of AB formula is y minus y1 equal to m times of x minus x1. So x1, y1 are 1 comma 3. So it is y minus 3 equal to x minus 1. What is the slope of AB line? Here we found before 2 by 3. So place it here. It's a fraction, so send 3 to the other side. So 3 into y minus 3 equal to 2 times of x minus 1. So it becomes 3y minus 9 equal to 2x minus 2. Bring all to one side. So it is 2x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Place this over here. So it is 2x minus 3y plus 7. Now if I solve these two equations, I get D sum is completed. Now to do that, here 3, here 2. To make the numbers same, I am multiplying this by 2 and this by 3. So when I multiply this by 2, I get 6x plus 4y minus 96 equal to 0. When I multiply this by 3, 6x minus 9y plus 21 equal to 0. If I add, they won't get cancelled, so I am subtracting. So minus plus minus. This gone. 4 plus 9, 13y. Minus 6 plus 1, 7, 9 plus 2, 11. So y equal to 117 by 13, which will be 9. Place y equal to 9 in any equation. So if I place it, okay, in this, then it will be 2x minus 3 into 9 plus 7 equal to 0. So it is 2x, 3 into 9, 27, minus 27 plus 7 will be minus 20. So that implies x equal to 10. So my coordinates of D are 10, 9. Is it clear? To get this point, its intersection of two lines, solve those two lines to get that point.